Welcome everybody, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and in this video I'm gonna show you display tricks you should try on this smartphone. Enjoy watching! So here's I'm gonna show you the pro tips for this smartphone and all of the features that you can use to customize your display. And let me start by opening the settings and then scroll down to move to the display part. Here we have all of the options that we can use to set up our display, and let me show you the functions. So let's start on the bottom. We have something like this, accidental touch protection and touch sensitivity. You should know about the accidental touch protection. It protects your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place such as a pocket or a bag. So you won't miscall someone, you won't open some applications by mistake or type some messages that you don't want to. So none of these situations won't happen if you enable this option. Also, if you're using a screen protector, then you should enable the touch sensitivity, and it increases the touch sensitivity of the screen if you're using such protectors. I don't have one, so I'm not gonna enable this option here. After that, go into the navigation bar and decide if you want to use a 3 buttons navigation or a swipe gestures navigation. I'm the person who likes the 3 buttons. I work with all major brand smartphones and I always using the 3 buttons navigation. It just works for me. If you are a person who likes gestures, then it's totally fine. So I choose a 3 button and I can open the more options to choose a layout if I want to back button to be on the right, on the left. It all depends of your and my preferences. I like it doing that way. So let's get back. Now you have to get into the screen timeout, and here you have to choose after which inactive time the screen goes off. So for me it's 10 minutes because I'm recording this video, so it's important for me, but most of the people chooses something between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. Based on my personal experience in a tech world, I can say you that 30 seconds or 1 minute is good enough if you don't learning something on your smartphone or reading some book or I don't know, playing some games. You don't want to more than 2 minutes. And also this option here, it keeps screen on while viewing. So if you looking at your smartphone, the front camera detects your face and it won't lock in or goes off. So make sure that you enable this option. I didn't have it, so now I turn it on. Let's move on to the next things, and this is the aspect ratio. You can choose a full screen 4:3 or 16:9. Once again, it all depends of your needs and your own preferences, how you like to use it. I like the full screen, so I leave it in that way. Camera cutout is the setting that show or hide the camera cutout. So this is it, the camera and tap icons. If you open some applications you don't want to, you can just choose the application, for example Google Chrome, and you can hide here the camera cutout. So yeah, that was it. And now let's get, if I don't want to show you font size and style or screen layout and zoom, this is not important. You can change it to the option you wish to use. But what I want to show you is motion smoothness. It's must-have option because this device gives you up to 120 Hz. If you don't enable it to adaptive option, it will be only uses on 60 Hz on the standard mode. So on the preview here, you can see that on the left, the motion, the animation and scrolling looking just smoother, better. There is no hangs or lags like on the right. It's clearly visible that it works better, and there is no problem while scrolling or doing anything on your smartphone. So I prefer to use adaptive, and you should do it too. I recommend you that. If you set it up, then it's time for another thing, and it's light mode and dark mode. On the tab menu you can see it. I'm the person who like changing it manually every time, but if you don't like it, you can choose here the dark mode settings, turn on as scheduled, and you can choose sunset to sunrise, or choose a custom schedule and choose the exact time after which your device will switch between these two modes. I'm not gonna turn it on because, like I said, I like to change it here in the settings. After that we have a brightness, it's the last option here. I like to just change it here manually, but if you are a person who don't likes it and you wish to don't worry about the brightness every time you go out or inside the dark room, then you can turn on the adaptive brightness, or your smartphone will detect the light around you. So if you are outside during a shiny day, then your smartphone will set up the maximum brightness. And if you are during a night in a room and you goes to sleep, then you will have the lowest amount of brightness, and your smartphone will know about it. I don't like this option, so I turn it off. In that way you can also use extra brightness. So it increases the maximum brightness. Of course it uses more battery power, but if you are outside and you can't see anything on your display, then there is an option from the tab menu, if you hold your finger on brightness, to enable the extra brightness, and it gives you more brightness. So obviously, you trust me, you will see everything on your display, and it won't happen anymore. So make sure that you know about this feature here. And for the next display settings, you can get into the home screen, and here adjust the application size if you want to see the application's labels, widgets. You can choose the cover screen mirroring if you want to have it turn on or off. You can set up the grid for home screen, app screens, folders, or you can choose a screen layout. You can use a home and application screens. So this is a screen that adds you the additional page for applications. I think it's worth using it. Or you can choose home screen only. Depends on your preferences, because here you can see, if you swipe up your finger on the display, then you can open app drawer and just type here for an application you wish to look for. It's very useful. I think you should know about it. After that you have additional features, but it's not important as these ones. So let's get back and look at the lock screen and always on display settings. Now you can set up the screen lock and biometrics. It is a very important thing, because obviously you want to keep your device safe, your personal data, your media, or your I don't know, applications, accounts, etc. Everything you have on your smartphone you wish to always protect. So you can do it by using a PIN, password, pattern, swipe. You can choose none, which is not recommended at all. Or you can choose biometrics, face recognition and fingerprints. I think it's the best way, so choose some of this. I think you should additionally choose one of these, because this is the safest way. I prefer do it like this way. And now we can go to the last option here, and this is a one-handed mode. So It only works when your device is folded. So let me fold the device. And now, if I get into this section in the settings one more time, I can enable the one-handed mode and get into this option. That smartphone, I mean the Samsung Z Fold and Flip, gives us opportunity to use one-handed mode while using a gesture navigation tab and the button navigation tab. So if I'm using the three buttons, I should choose this one, and double tapping the home button opens the one-handed mode, and it works like this. So I double tap the home button, and now I can reach all of the corners of my display using only one hand. I can drag it on another place on my screen, use this arrow to change it to the right or the left. If you want to just exit this mode, you can tap on any empty place on your smartphone. So that was all of the important things about the display. All of it was based on my personal usage of this smartphone. So all of the things that you discover in this video was my experience. I hope you liked it. You should leave a comment if you did. And of course subscribe to our YouTube channels. Enjoy watching the next videos. Goodbye.